You know when I get my glasses on, I gotta make sure I'm reading this stuff right. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, you read from the title, I finally got my fall Fabfitfun box. So if you don't know, this is a seasonal subscription box. This is more like a lifestyle subscription box. And this is the fall 2020. This is $49.99, but I do have a code that can save you $10 off your first box. So if you want to see what is inside, is it worth the money? And was it better than last season? Then keep on watching. Alright, so this just came the other day. Now, if you see me doing this a lot, I got a new chair, an office chair, and I put this thing together. I don't know, I haven't ordered like furniture where you have to put together in so many years. The last time was probably about 10-15 years ago. And back then, like you would get something and it had like 4 or 5, maybe 6 pieces the most, right? No, this thing had like 50 to 70 pieces. It took me almost 2 hours to put together. So, and you know, it does this thingy. So, it's the first time using it. I might do that and get on your nerves, but I can't help it. Anywho, so like I said earlier, this finally came. And I think the last season wasn't that bad. What was it? The spring box wasn't that bad. Or was it the summer? Let me know my seasons. Let me think. Yeah, the summer box was okay. The one prior to that, the winter box, wasn't that great. So hopefully this is pretty good. So it came in a big box, and then this was on the outside. So once I get to that, I will show you what that is. I am an annual member. So with the regular, if you are just a seasoned, doesn't even sound right. If you just pay the box per season, you get to customize your box, but I believe you only get to customize 3 items. If you pay annually, then you get to custom 5 things. So let's just open her up. All right. Oh, and one more thing I want to tell you. This is very different. This is cardboard, so this is 100% recyclable, which is great. Let me move over a little bit. All right. So when you open her up, it says Fabfitfun, and it's very fall looking. And this is all it has to protect it. You do get a little brochure every month, and there's a little sneak peek. Not too much. All right, let's put it over here because my son has been using this table to do his work, and he's got stuff all over. All right. So this is what it looks like this month, and when you open it up, it tells you what everything is, and it gives you prices. I believe on my thing, the value came to, I believe it's like almost $500. It's like $484 or something like that. So there we go. It'll tell you what everything is. All right, and then we got this Hello Fresh. We have, you got like a 10 free meals. But every time I try to use these, it's always like invalid. You know, it's like past the due date. All right, and this is like a wine thing. What else we got? What else we got? Gather the good. I'm gifting you $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. All right, so if you want to use that code, whoever, you can screenshot it and use it. All right, so let's begin. All right, so this was on the outside of the box, and what is this? I don't remember. Let's see. This is the Hammer Copper Canister Set. Yes, I believe I picked this out. Let me get to it and see how much this puppy is. All right, this is Uncommon James. That is the brand, and this is $49. It says, the medium and large copper-plated canisters include wooden lids to add a rustic touch to any space. All right, let's see what she looks like. That means I guess there's only 2 canisters in here, I'm surmising. All right, so that's what the large one looks like. It's like, you know, copper. It has a wooden lid. And then inside is the other one. So for 2 canisters, holy crap, $49. All right, and there we go. So you have the medium one and the large. They're cute. I wish there was 3 of them, you know, like a smaller one, but they're really cute. It's like 10, you know. All right, the next thing I picked out, this is a glass water bottle It's in turquoise and it's $35. Turquoise is my favorite color. I love turquoise and black together. Oh my God, it's so pretty. All right, so that's what it looks like. So it is glass. Then you have this right here to make it look pretty. And yeah, it's just a water bottle. $35. I don't know if I would ever pay $35. I think you can get something cheaper at Walmart. The brand is Mason Tops. And but I'm glad, that's why I like subscription boxes, right? Because you only pay $49.99, and if you use a code, you can get it for $39.99, so 40 bucks on your first box. So really, this practically pays for the box. So you get a lot of good value with this subscription. That's why I like it. But then it's like, even though you get a good value, are you going to use everything, you know? All right, the next thing is by the Beauty Crop. This is a Glow Milk. It's a coconut and argan oil. And this retails for, what does this say? $19.50, and it gives you a little glow is what it says. All right, so let me show you what it looks like when you take it out. I don't want to open it, so that right there is what it will look like. I think that's cute. Looks like a little milk carton. Yeah, I don't want to open it and mess it up right now. All right, argan oil and coconut oil, very good for your skin, but it also is good for your hair too if you have dry hair like on your ends. So I'm definitely going to use it. All right, the next thing is from Volatition. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is the celery green cream right there. Holy crap, this is $55. Wow. All right, so that's what it looks like. And yeah, and it's green. It's so funny. Oh, that smells really, really good. Let's see what it says. It says this oil-free moisturizer targets the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. All right, better do something good for $55. Wow. All right, I never heard of this. Celery green cream. It has hyaluronic acid and peptides in it. All right, I'm excited to try it. There's not that much left that's in here. All right, these are sunglasses, and I remember picking these. These are for the, like, blue light. I remember that for, like, computers or your phone. Let me see how much that puppy is. I gotta make sure I'm looking at that right. Holy crap. Let me read. $45. These are the Nectar Sunglasses Blue Light Blocking Glasses in brown turquoise. It says, black blue light from your computer or phone to keep your eyes refreshed and lessen fatigue. Oh, it blocks the blue light. What in the world? All right, let's open her up and see. So it is by Nectar, and I like the fact you have your little case so that way you can put it in your pocketbook or anywhere and it doesn't collect dust if you don't use it, or it doesn't scratch it up. All right, so this is what it looks like. They feel very light, like very cheap. $45. And how do I look? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, I'm definitely excited to use these and see if they work, because sometimes I get a lot of headaches and stuff from if I'm on my phone or the computer. So hopefully that works. I'm happy to get that. All right, this is by The Laundress. This is a crease release. It removes wrinkles. Is this for clothes? Let me see, because I know it's not for your skin, I don't think. Okay, so this is $16. Easy remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with this spray, especially when iron isn't an option. All right, let me see what this smells like, because this would be perfect for my husband. Oh, it smells pretty good too. I mean, when COVID wasn't around, he did a lot of traveling, so he hasn't traveled a lot now, but definitely I'll give this to him for him to give it a go. All right, so this is a stress reliever, natural hair oil. A stress reliever for your hair. What? Let me read up on this. You know, when I get my glasses on, I gotta make sure I'm reading this stuff right. Does this say $75 for hair oil? What in the world? Let's read this. This is natural hair oil. Give yourself a scalp massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. I do suffer from dry, like I can get dandruff, and because my hair is black, you can really see it. $75. This better clear my dandruff and everything. This better put me to sleep, because I can fall asleep, but I can't stay asleep. So I'm always up. If you're not following me already, follow me on Instagram, because I do my little, like, at nighttime when I can't sleep, in my Instagram stories, I do like my filter fest. So check that out. All right. God, $75. All right, there's two more things. So this is a Santel Noir room spray by Daniel Stone. I'm like scared to find what prices are. Holy crap. All right, so this is $36. It says, let's see what it says. Spritz your room with a delicious blend of pumpkin, cinnamon, and vanilla. Ooh. So it does have this one here, which is good. That way the lid doesn't come off and then it spills on your box. Come on, get off of me. All right, let's see. I don't like this. I don't smell, what does it say? The cinnamon or vanilla or pumpkin. This reminds me of like if you go to Macy's or something, or like you smell some cheap perfume, or you go like to a department store and they have all the perfumes mixed together and it's like, oh my God, I would never use this. I don't know. Maybe I'll see if my daughter or somebody would use it, but I know I wouldn't. All right, last but not least, this is what I did pick out. I remember this was a book bag. Let's see how much it is. I don't even know. This is $100. This is a Botkier New York Trigger backpack. $100? Oh, no way. Ew. I didn't want to say ew, but like, what caught me off guard, this is extremely small. I thought it was going to be bigger. And, I mean, I've never heard of this brand. Maybe it's like a luxury brand. It just doesn't feel like $100, but maybe it is. I don't know. And you know what it smells like when your kids start school, when you buy their backpacks and then you like smell it and it has that like new backpack smell? I don't know. I picked this out for my daughter because she really likes to wear backpacks. And there were a few other ones you could pick from. You had like a little totes, which I have enough of them. You have like a, what was this? Like a, I thought it was a pocketbook, but it's not. It's like a basket, you know, and I don't need that. So I figured she can use this. $100. Oh my God. It's like, is that the real price or what? I don't know. The tote, if I would have picked the tote, that's $128. What? How much is that little basket thing? Okay, so the cotton basket is $60. All right, but I'm just shocked. All right, so let's recap everything that I got in the fall 2020 box. So we have this backpack. $100. Okay. We have this $75 hair oil. We have this crease release, which I'm really excited to try this and have my husband try it out. So I like that. And it was like 16 bucks, or I forget how much it was, so that's good. We have this celery green cream, and I'm excited to try this too. You know, it's $55. We have this glass water bottle that was $35. We have this canister set that was, how much was it? Let me see how good my memory is. $49, I believe. You have the Beauty Crop Coconut Argan Oil. I'm excited for that. And no, this is not what I got. I'm excited for these to block the blue light out. I'm excited for that. So, I know the value is like close to $500. I remember seeing that, but holy cow. What do I think about the fall box? I think it's way overpriced. I think you definitely get your $50 worth, your $49.99. You definitely, like, you didn't waste your money. But I don't know. I think, like, if on my own, if I was at a store, I would definitely buy the glasses. I'd probably buy the skincare because I like the skincare. Probably this wrinkle thing to try. And then there was a room spray. I don't know where, oh, right here, the room spray. I wouldn't get this because I don't like the smell, and it was $36. I mean, I can go to Walmart and just, you know, or I like my my wax melts. I don't know. I definitely wouldn't purchase this for $100. If it was like $25, $30, maybe I would purchase this. The canisters are really nice, but if there were a set of 3, I would probably purchase it for the price. And I would never pay $35 for this. But having said that, that's why I like subscription boxes, because you're not really paying the price for that, you know? So it's an okay box. If I had to grade an A to an F, I'd probably grade it maybe a C, C minus. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of this box. Did you like the fall box? Did you not? Did you get your box? If not, did you like it? Let me know all the... Let me try that again. Let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, that is everything. If you like unboxings or mystery boxes or reviews, please consider subscribing to this channel. I would love for you to join our family. If you like this video, then please give me a like. It really helps me out and it only takes a second. It helps YouTube promote my video. And don't forget to turn your post notification bell on and make sure you double tap it and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways that I definitely have coming up this month. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having, even though it's starting to cool down, which I'm so excited for. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.